astronomy themed tapestry behind me. My partner purchased this for our second bedroom, and he was like identifying the different, I guess they're like constellations or something. Do not ask me because I really don't know. But we're going to learn tonight or today or tonight or today. So I had to Google one of the names of the, I guess like, the one to my right is the Corona Borealis constellation, I suppose, to even find out what this tapestry really meant. And apparently it is in regards to astronomy. So, you learn something new every day. And my partner is really into the astronomy, astrology, all that great stuff. I'm not particularly as much into it, but I believe you should always support the things that your partner, your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, relationship, situationship, whatever you're in, I think you should support the things they enjoy and they like. So I'm going to do just that, and we're going to learn about 24 astronomy facts that you never learned in school. Alright, so I think we should just go ahead and jump right into it. Fact number one. The sun is bigger than you can even imagine. When you look up at the sky and see the sun beaming down at you, it's hard to tell how truly big it is. So consider this. About 1 million duplicates of Earth could comfortably fit inside of it, according to NASA. And if the sun didn't supply our main energy, we'd be shivering in the dark. Its core releases energy that is equivalent of 100 billion nuclear bombs. Alright, Mr. Sun, well, we appreciate you giving us the light. And for my, southern people closer to the equator, giving us heat, because your boy does not like to be cold. Not gonna lie, though, this summer kind of took me out, and we were highly considering moving somewhere else, maybe like Virginia. We visited Virginia this summer, and it was really, really beautiful there. Okay, fact number two. Hot ice is a thing. About 33 light years away is an exoplanet called Gliese 436b. The planet is composed of different water elements which form burning ice. In other words, the ice on the planet remains solid due to pressure, while the extreme surface temperature of 570 degrees Fahrenheit, 300 degrees Celsius, superheats the water, causing it to come off as steam. Imagine putting ice in your coffee to heat it up. Ice in your coffee to heat it up. Oh, okay. It's like super, super cold. I see. Y'all, it's late. I've worked a long day. My new job is very fast-paced and stressful, so gears aren't turning quite as quickly as they should be. Fact number three. There's a bar in the sky. Ooh, okay, I'm intrigued because your boy loves a good tequila soda water lime. It may seem like a bartender's dream or a nightmare, but way up beyond our atmosphere, there's a gas cloud made from alcohol about 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system. There's enough alcohol there for about 400 septillion pints of beer. That's 400 followed by 20, 20, 24. you to crave a steak. Astronauts returning from a spacewalk have noted the aroma of various odors on their spacesuits, ranging from metal to a charcoal broiled steak. That's due to polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, which are byproducts of dying stars. BHAs are also released from burning coal, wood, gasoline, and you guessed it, charcoal broiled meat. I'm a little bit bitter about that one because my partner is out of town right now for work. So I decided I wanted to order a delicious steak, a ribeye steak from Texas Roadhouse. It said it was going to be ready at 8:17 p.m. I showed up at 8:09, prepared and ready to just devour my delicious medium well ribeye steak and my delicious green beans with onions and bacon in it and my buttered corn. Around 8:45, I go up to the counter because I am overit.com and I was like, just cancel the order. Like, y'all know I've been sitting out here. I talked to the gentleman, he came to my car. No one told me it was gonna take 30 additional minutes. I had my little doggy with me. He was over it. So instead, we went to Culver's and got a delicious double cheeseburger, and they gave the little doggy a free ice cream cup. So, shout out to Culver's, you're a real one. Okay, fact number 5. There's a lot of trash out there. There may be a lot of garbage filling up our landfills on Earth, but there are over 1 million pieces of trash orbiting the Earth too. Space junk is a real problem, and even something as small as a paperclip could wreak havoc on our satellite system. That could mean no Netflix for you, among more serious issues like messing with our national security system. Currently, there's no way to clean up space, but scientists are focusing on solutions. Yeah, we're gonna need to get that corrected because if I can't play my Candy Crush, there is going to be a serious problem. Fact number 6. Raspberries and rum in space. Okay, you can't actually go raspberry picking in space yet. But as it turns out, the main component that gives raspberries their distinctive flavor, ethyl formate, was discovered in the Milky Way in 2009. Ethyl formate is also a component of rum, but it's also unlikely you'll be able to order a rum and coke in the galaxy anytime soon, especially since alcohol is one of the foods that are banned from space. Okay, we're gonna cross that off my list of vacation destinations because Daddy likes a drink on vacation. Fact number 7. Uranus is quirky. As the only planet that rotates on its side, Uranus has scientists baffled. Some theories include that the planet's orientation may have been altered at some point by a titanic collision with an asteroid or another planet. Either way, it's the solar system oddball when it comes to planet rotations. But then, space is weird. Alright, cool. Let's do a fact. Was that 7 or 8? I think it was 7. Y'all, my little doggy is creeping in the door, and I'm going to need you to be very quiet. You hear me? Because when I had the door closed the first time I tried to record this video, he whined. So now the door is open, and if I could move my camera and show you, it's so funny. He's like, like, Dad, what are you doing in here? Okay, fact number 8. Stargazing is almost like looking into the past. Since stars are so far away and their light takes so long to reach Earth, it's possible the star you're looking at is already dead. Rest in peace. A good example is the Pillars of Creation, which are a part of a region called the Eagle Nebula that's 7,000 light years away from us. These pillar-like clouds of dust and gas were first imaged by the Hubble telescope in 1995, but they were actually destroyed at least 6,000 years ago by a supernova. What we're seeing in Hubble's 1995 image is what the Pillars of Creation looked like 7,000 years ago. The good news, those already dead stars are rare, so the majority of the stars in the sky are still intact and will be for a few more billion years. We can see a lot of space from Earth, but these are the things you can see on Earth from space. Okay, well, rest in peace to all the dead stars. R.I.P. Y'all just killed the galaxy. Okay. Y'all, we live by a main road, and I swear, they call New York City the city that never sleeps, but I swear it's Florida because it's late and people just don't give it up. Fact number 9. Lose weight by planet hopping. If you are, say, 140 pounds, did you know you would be about 53 pounds of mercury? Without getting caught up in complicated math, the reason behind the swift weight change is the planet's gravitational field. This is because your mass is constant across the universe, while your weight measurement changes depending on the force of gravity. Wherever you are, and gravity changes from planet to planet. Since Mercury's gravitational field is less than Earth's, you'd weigh less. If the gravitational field is more than the Earth's, you'd of course weigh more. Word to the wise, avoid Jupiter because it triples your weight. These are the most baffling mysteries about the universe. Okay, y'all. So, the place with the bar that can't serve alcohol is off our vacation list. Jupiter is off our vacation list. Let's see what fact number 10 is spinning at us. Move over, moon rocks. You don't have to go all the way to Mars to get a souvenir from space. When meteorites were tested on Earth from the Sahara Desert and Antarctica, it was revealed that some rocks come from Mars. Here's how something from Earth ended up in space. It has nothing to do with teleportation. Interessante, I suppose. Let's go on to fact number 11. That reads, for Pluto. Pluto was ceremoniously kicked off the team of full-sized planets we consider part of our solar system. The rest of them are, of course, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The International Astronomical Union reclassified poor Pluto as a dwarf planet in 2006, a move that had astrologers and many a stargazer alike upset at the demotion. Pluto lost its status due to being just half the width of the United States, way smaller than any of the other planets sharing the same status in the solar system. Calling Pluto a planet is just one of many facts you learned in school that are no longer true. I actually knew that already, but I say hashtag justice for Pluto. Okay, I think we'll stop on 12 tonight, so let's do one more. Fact number 12. A long trip. The last time our solar system was in its current position around the Milky Way, the earliest dinosaurs were first roaming the Earth. That's because it takes a whopping 230 million years for our solar system to complete one single orbit around the Milky Way. That really puts that long day feeling into perspective. Okay, well, now upset by how minuscule I am in the grand scheme of, the galaxy. So that's why we're going to stop on 12 this evening. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all find these types of videos interesting? Do you like learning new facts that you may, or maybe some of you may not or may already know? Let me know, and maybe I'll do the other 12 in another video. Well, till then, it's been real. Thanks for hanging out with me as always.